What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the Origin or OGN. Had to make a video on that. I think it's obvious why, right? I don't have to explain that. It's massively bullish. I'm pretty butthurt on this one because yesterday in the premium group, in the chat room, which I have a premium group in which I share my own trades and I add signals. But you also gain access to my trading guide and a chat room, and in that chat room I often talk about, excuse me, I have a little bit of a hiccup. I often talk about cryptos that I see that have potential, and yesterday afternoon, so when the price was down here around 7.8 cents, I thought, hey, I said, hey, Origin probably has potential right here, because what was happening at that point of time is that the open interest wasn't even that high, so not many people were trading it. Or at least not people were in open positions, but the volume already was super high yesterday. Like this was, I think, no, this wasn't even yesterday, but yesterday around this point of time, right here. So yeah, the volume right here was at 27 million, which was already up quite a bit from earlier that day. It's difficult to see right here, but here you can see it. There's already a bump in volume right here from 8 million to 27 million. So that's when I saw it. I missed it. I didn't take a position, but it rallied a lot, as you can see. So I just wanted to, in this video, talk about where it could go from here. First of all, Origin is 100% manipulated. The volume is very high. OGN has a history of being manipulated. And apart from that, what you also see is that a lot of volume is coming from manipulated exchanges, like Upbit. There's a lot of Turkish volume. Nami exchange, which is also some sort of a weird manipulated exchange. So it is manipulated, but now the big question is how high can it get? Right now it's struggling with this level right here. Well, at the 786 fib of this last manipulated rally, there's a different one, the 22nd of July, and 12.5 cents, which is kind of a psychological resistance. So that's the big question, whether it can break above that or not. I would say OGN will probably test this support level right here between like 11.5 and 11 cents. But at this point of time, I mean, the most likely scenario is that it will get up to the previous highs around 14 and 15 cents, all right? That's the most likely scenario right now. The only way in which this would not happen, and then from there, by the way, I mean, it could go even higher. From 15 cents, it could even go all the way up to 16.5, but then I will probably make an update on that, because I do expect resistance coming in this region. So I would say this is the most likely scenario, right? That it will continue going up. That's just like if you check out these manipulated crypto rallies, the most likely scenario always, according to my experience at least, is always that it will continue going up. Even though it has already rallied so much, it's still likely that it will. All right, so that's kind of that's what I have to say. The only reason for in which this would not happen is if OGN right now drops down towards this level right here around 11.5 and 11 cents, finds support, and then breaks down below that. Like if OGN breaks down below 11 cents right now, then it's probably over, and then it will drop down all the way to 10 cents and 9.5 cents. But something like this, even though it's a possibility, so you should know it's a possibility and you should know it can happen, it's by far not the most likely scenario at this point of time. In general, I mean, just to be frank with you, I think it's better to just stay out of OGN for now. That's my honest opinion. So if you do want to trade this, then know that it's highly, highly risky, and make sure to use a stop loss and not too much risk. All right, but that's my full take on OGN right now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.